Avoid landscaping frustration, choosing the perfect plants for your garden, and why you should call a pro. Hey everyone, welcome to Architect's World blog. Today's topic is how to choose the right plants to create a thriving outdoor oasis. Trust me, picking the perfect greenery is key to avoiding frustration and wasted resources down the line. The pitfalls of mismatched plants. We've all seen those stunning blooms at the nursery, but impulse buys without considering your environment can lead to big problems. Let's explore some of the cascading effects of choosing wrong plants. Wasted money and resources. Plants that fight against your climate or soil will struggle, requiring constant care or replacement. That translates to wasted money on plants, fertilizer, and excessive watering. Increased maintenance. The wrong plants might become overgrown, needing frequent pruning. Plants battling unsuitable conditions are also more prone to pests and diseases. Landscape disruption. Fast-growing trees with aggressive roots planted too close to structures can cause damage. Removing them later can be expensive. Environmental impact. Plants with high water needs in dry areas strain resources. Invasive species can disrupt local ecosystems. Beyond sun and soil. Choosing wisely. Sure, sunlight and soil type are crucial, but here's what many forget. Microclimates. South-facing walls radiate heat, creating hotter areas. Shady spots under trees might get less sun than you think. Growth rate and mature size. Don't be fooled by a plant's size at the nursery. Research its mature height and spread to avoid it outgrowing its space. Plant maintenance needs. Consider your lifestyle. High-maintenance plants might not be ideal for busy homeowners. Case study. The wrong tree for the right place? Imagine planting a beautiful tree for its looks. While it thrives initially, its fast growth might overwhelm your small garden. Choosing a native flowering tree with manageable growth would be a more sustainable option. Solutions for choosing the right plants, and why you should consider a professional landscaper. Now that we've explored the pitfalls, here's how to get started on the right foot. Know your zone. Research your microclimate to understand which plants are naturally adapted to your area's temperatures. Perform a soil test. Knowing your soil's pH and nutrients helps you select plants that thrive in those conditions. Amending the soil might be necessary. Consider sunlight conditions. Map out sun patterns throughout the day. This will help you choose plants that need full sun, partial shade, or full shade depending on the location. Think about mature size. Sketch a layout of your garden, factoring in the mature size of each plant for proper spacing. This is where a professional landscaping service like LasDosMARIASPlantCo can be a game changer. About LasDosMARIASPlantCo. LasDosMARIASPlantCo is a team of experienced landscape professionals serving Cebu with high-quality plants and exceptional service since 2019. Their dedication to creating flourishing outdoor spaces is evident in their proven track record. Why consider LasDosMARIASPlantCo? They offer a comprehensive range of services to fit your needs and budget, ensuring a beautiful, healthy, and low-maintenance outdoor haven. Personalized planting and garden layout. Their expertise will work with you to create a customized garden space that reflects your unique style preferences. Plant selection and installation. Their knowledgeable team will help you select the perfect plants for your landscape, suited to your climate, soil conditions, and desired aesthetic. They carry a wide variety of native and non-native plants, trees, shrubs, flowers, and grasses. Planting and mulching. Their skilled crew will carefully plant your chosen flora according to best practices, ensuring healthy root development and optimal growth. They'll also recommend a layer of high-quality mulch to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature, saving you time and effort in the long run. Ongoing maintenance. LasDosMARIASPlantCo offers a variety of ongoing maintenance packages to keep your landscape looking its best year-round. Their services include pruning, weeding, pest and disease control, seasonal cleanups, and irrigation system management. They'll work with you to create a customized plan that fits your budget. Don't settle for a frustrating and expensive landscaping experience riddled with interruptions. Partner with LasDosMARIASPlantCo and let their expertise guide you towards a flourishing outdoor haven. Their experience can help you avoid common pitfalls and keep your project on track, saving you time, money, and frustration. Contact them today or visit their nursery at Quezon HiwaySuba-Basbas, Marigondon, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.